Welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Today's video is for those who participated in the dogs airdrop. So if you claimed your allocation on Telegram, this video is going to be showing you how you can move that allocation to the BitGet Exchange. This is because dogs will be listing on August 20th, 2024. So ensure to move your allocated tokens now. All right, so to do this, all you need to do is to tap on your Telegram app and head over to your dogs account. Okay, so once you head over to your dogs account, you see your dogs allocation. Tap on deposit to exchanges. Okay, ensure that the exchange is what's highlighted, and tap on continue. So you have three options: OKS, ByBit, and BitGet. So for this video, we'll be going ahead to deposit to the BitGet exchange, and you tap on send here. So it's asking, do you have a BitGet account? If you do not have, create one. All right, guys, so ensure that you have your BitGet account. If you do not have, go to your Play Store, your App Store, download the BitGet exchange, and then you register. So once you've done that, just tap on yes, I have it. All right, so what is needed is your BitGet UID and your dog's deposit address. Just these two details are required. So head over to your BitGet account. All right, so what you need to do is just tap on this small, we have about 9 boxes at the top left. Tap on it. All right, you can see your UID. Just tap on it. Okay, once you tap on it, it will copy. You head to your dogs account, and then you paste your BitGet UID. That is your UID. All right, so what's needed next is our dogs deposit address. Okay, how do you get this? You just tap on assets. Okay, probably tap on deposits. Okay, so you want to add funds. All right, deposit crypto. Tap on deposit crypto. You search for dogs. All right, tap on dogs. Okay, the network is correct, it's ton. So this is deposit address. Okay, so you can see that you just copy your deposit address, ensure that it's the dogs network ton. You copy your deposit address. Okay, and then you head over to the Telegram app, and then you paste the dog's deposit address, and then that is all that is needed, and then you tap on send. Okay, so it's showing you the details so that you'd confirm the withdrawal, right? So you're withdrawing from the Telegram to the BitGet exchange. All right, so you want to confirm that your UID is correct. So let's just head back to where we have our UID. This is just for verification, just to be sure that everything is in order. Okay, now you want to confirm your deposit address. You just tap on the deposit here, and then you just, since we already searched for dogs before, if you just tap on dogs. Okay, and then we see the exchange at the deposit address. Let's see if this is correct. Okay, because once this is not correct, that's the end. You will not get your allocation. Okay, so the deposit address is correct, and ensure, it says ensure. Let's see what number 2 says. KYC passed only. Exchange required to verify your identity before trading. So that is something that you can do once you are done with pasting your details. So you just tap the confirm, and then the deposit is in progress. Woof. All right, guys, so that part of number 2, ensure that you're verified. As you can see, I'm verified. This account is verified, so I have ticked the boxes, I have imputed my details, and I also have verified my BitGet account. So ensure to do this. If not, you may be restricted from withdrawing or depositing or making trading on the BitGet exchange. All right, guys, I hope this video has been helpful. Ensure to like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that post notification bell for more educative content like this. If you do find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat, built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description beneath. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.